For this, I'm going to show you how to clean a microwave with the lemon. First, slice the lemon in half, then place it in a bowl with water. Then what you want to do is put the bowl in the microwave and set it for 5 minutes. And then you wait and wait.
You have to wait for the microwave to get done?
Yeah, I still have to wait. Just waiting for the microwave. And you still wait. Just another 2 minutes. Continue to wait forever. Just 1 more minute. Still. Finally! Okay, that was 3. 1. Okay. Take out, take out the water. And I don't have like a clean rag, so I'm using an old clean towel. Just dip it in there and start cleaning the microwave. Forgot you had to take this plate out.